There you go. That's the screws I had to get shorter. That's the black one is 3/4. The silver one is a 1/2 inch. And the reason being I had to get the silver one shorter because the black one went right through. There it is. So it went right through, so that's no good. So I got to get a shorter one. So what I'm going to do later on, I'm just going to disconnect, take these out, put new ones in, the shorter one in. But that's what happened. You put the black one in there. So I'm going to take that out, put the silver one. So meanwhile, I'm doing this side right here. I've done that one already. And it went in with no problem. So that's how that looks. And I'm getting ready to do this one, and you'll see this one, so that way you can see. With this screw, it's a 1/2 inch. You put it in here. You're right there. Okay. Door hinge. Actual door hinge. That's why we got it in black. But see the top. That's the top of it. And that's the bottom of it. So it's going to be this way. Make sure it'll open up all the way. Because it won't close the other way, see? So put it in this way. And just open it up. Right there. I already marked it, so it's going to be right here. Alright, here we go. At the bottom. Make sure it's centered. All right there. And that one's done. It's fine. Nice and slow. Make sure she's centered right there. Nice. There you go. There you go. She's in. Right there. Center. 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 Right there. Center. Center it. Center it. Done. And that's how she looks. And the top one way up there. Oh yeah. Now I just got to do one right here. I already marked it's going to go here. And the other one right here. That's how that's going to look. Alright, be back. Make sure it's right. Put on the right way. That's the top. That's the bottom. See how it's closed, so that when it opens up and closes all the way. Right there. Bring it up a little bit. Okay. Line it up with that. Do that one first. There we go. Right in there, make sure it's centered. Yeah. Perfect. Right there. Right there. As you can see, make sure it's centered. Right there. Push in. Do that one. Okay, keep in mind, when doing these hinges, I did the top one first, then the bottom one. Bottom one second, and then once you got the bottom and the top, it's all lined up, so the last two will be perfect. It'll just fit right in. Alright, let's get this going. Alright. That one in, center it. Nice and slow. Right there. Sure, center it. That's it. Put it right in there and center it. Man. Alright.